In this video, we will review how to sit with kids. Make sure when you come to your table, you have a slip along with a pen, and as soon as a child comes in, write their name along with the time they came in and the time they leave. If you're unsure about what time the student came in, please refer to their classworks or refer to the grading table, and lastly, Rono. Let's start by looking at Aditya and Shubodh's folder. As you can see, both of these folders require immediate attention. Aditya has many homeworks that need to be graded, and he has no classwork, which means he has nothing to do. And Shubodh has a test. But as you can see, he's also here for 2 hours, whereas Aditya is here for a half hour. This means Aditya's work is priority. While you are working on his homeworks, you can get started on Shubodh's math, since he can do this by himself. He can sit somewhere else and start with his math while you grade Aditya's correction. Make sure though to keep track of his time so that he can come back and sit with you in order to complete his readings. While Aditya is finishing his corrections, make sure you hand only one packet at a time. That way he will complete the packet and the corrections before moving on to a new packet. For Shubodh, after he is done with his test, or after he comes back from finishing his math and does his test with you, make sure that you complete the reading classworks and include the OR and spelling test. If you notice that he still has extra time, since he is here for 2 hours, please check his homework and see if there are any homeworks that he forgot to do, which he can complete at Kumon. Make sure on those kind of packets to write finished in Kumon and the current date on the front page. Lastly, during this entire time, you also have David sitting with you. He is here for 1 hour and does 2 subjects. As you can see, he has many math and reading corrections, which means if he has any homework, it's not a priority to grade them because he's not going to have time to work on them today. Instead, you would direct your time to grading someone else's, such as Aditya's. Again, since he is doing math and reading, it's important that he finishes at least 1 packet from each subject. So, best way to do that is to alternate the subjects. As soon as he finishes one, move to the next, keep going until his time is up. After these corrections are done, place them along with any other completed packet on the left side of the table so it can be picked up. Then, on the right side, you will have your personal answer books with reading and math. Make sure before your shift is over to put them in the correct order and in a rubber band. Our business hours are Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 2:30 to 8:30 p.m. If your shift ends before closing, make sure to pass on this information to the new assistant. The student's name, the time they came in, the time they leave, the work they have completed, and what they have to complete. Lastly, make sure before you leave your area is cleared, and I hope this video has helped you learn how to work with Kumon Kids.